So guys, for the first step, you want to add the program exe file to your desktop. In my case, let's say I want to do this for Brave browser. I'm going to go to search and type in Brave. You want to type in your application, right click on it, and then click on open file location. Right click on it again, and then click on open file location again. You want to find your application.exe file. Right click on it, and then click on show more options, and then click on create shortcut, and then click on yes, which will then place the shortcut to your desktop. Next, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it, and then once we're here, you want to click on manage settings. You want to scroll down, and then click on add remove exclusions, and then click on yes, and then click on add an exclusion, and then select file. Once this comes up, just go to your desktop, locate the file, double click on it, which will then add it as an exclusion. You can then open up the file from your desktop and it should be working.